First thing you're going to do is check your seatbelt. It's not ripped, torn, or frayed. Secures tight, and the anchor points are secure. I'm going to take the key, I'm going to put it into the auxiliary position, and make sure that all of my dashboard indicator lights turned on. Did you go? Mm-hmm. Now I'm going to do a safe start, which is starting the vehicle with the emergency brake on. So I'm going to put the emergency brake on, start the vehicle. Now I'm going to do my brake tests. I'm going to start with the hydraulic brake test. It's where you pump the service brake 3 times and hold for 5 seconds. The brake should not fade or drop to the floor. Pause. 1, 2, 3. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. My brakes did not fade or drop to the floor. My hydraulic brakes are good. I'm now going to check my interlock brake. I should not be able to take the vehicle out of park with the emergency brake on. Okay, I cannot take the vehicle out of park with the emergency brake on, so my interlock brake is good. I'm now going to check my emergency brake. The emergency brake should hold the vehicle at 1,000 RPMs. I'm applying the emergency brake. I'm going to switch the digital screen to tachometer. I'm going to rev the vehicle up to 1,000 RPMs. Okay, the emergency brake held at 1,000 RPMs. The emergency brake is good. Now I'm going to do my 50-foot brake test. That's where I'm going to drive the bus, stop within the first 50 feet, and the bus should stop and it should not pull to the left or the right. Pull the bus forward. Okay, brake stopped the bus, and the bus did not pull to the left or the right. My vehicle passed the 50-foot brake test. Moving up, my headlight indicator on the dashboard is working. My driver dome light is working. It's not cracked or broken. My steering wheel has no more than 2 inches of play. My horn works. My left turn signal indicator is working. My right turn signal indicator is working. My high beam indicator light is working. My 4-way indicators are working. My windshield wipers and washer fluid are working, and the wipers are making good contact with the windshield. Pause. Looking at the gauges on the dash, my oil gauge is good. It's between 20 and 60. My temperature gauge is good. It's between 200 and 220. My battery gauge is good. It's between 13 and 15, and it's not discharging, and we have enough fuel for the trip. Moving over, I'm going to make sure that my heater it works on low and it works on high. Turn it to defrost. My defroster works on low. My defroster works on high. My CB radio is secure and it's operational. My seatbelt cutter is in place, it's secure, and it's in reach of the driver. My driver glass is not cracked or broken. My windshield is not cracked or broken. There's no illegal stickers. My side glass is not cracked or broken. My school bus door glass is not cracked or broken, and the weather stripping is secure. My side convex on the left and the right, they're not cracked or broken, and they're adjusted for me. My crossover mirrors are secure, not cracked or broken, and they're adjusted for me. The passenger mirror is secure, not cracked or broken, and it's adjusted for me. Moving up to these lights, my passenger dome lights, they're all working. They're not cracked or broken. Okay. My amber indicator light is working. It's not cracked or broken. The red indicator light is working. The school bus door opens secure. The courtesy lights or the step lights are working. They're not cracked or broken. I can see that my stop sign, pause. Looking in the mirror, I can see that my stop sign extended and the lights are working. The school bus door secure shut. And looking in the mirror, I can see that my stop sign retracts. Okay. My passenger or rear heat works on low. It works on high. My heated mirror indicator light is working. My destination or information sign indicator light is working. The rear AC works on low, medium, and high. My wheelchair indicator light, it's not cracked or broken. I can show you later that it's working. Alright, before you get out of the driver's seat, turn the bus off, put it into the auxiliary position. I'm going to go back and reset the no sleeping children alarm. My registration and insurance paperwork are in place, up to date. Handicap sticker is in place, it's not peeling. Because this is a handicap bus, I have 4 pieces of emergency equipment. I have my fire extinguisher, it's fully charged to the green. It's not expired, and it's secure. I have my 3 reflective triangles, they're secure. I have my first aid kit with 3 spare electrical fuses, and I have my fire blanket, which is 35 square feet. And they're all secure. My handrails, they're secure, there's no loose or missing parts. My step lines and my standee line are secure, they're not a trip hazard. Moving on further back the bus. All of my seats, backs and bottoms, are secure. All of my seats have seat belts. The passengers are not required to wear them. The driver must always wear their seat belt. My runway matting, secure. It's not a trip hazard. All of my passenger windows are not cracked or broken. I have 2 emergency exits. They're both clearly labeled. I have the roof hatch and I have the emergency exit door in the back. The emergency exit door light is working. It's not cracked or broken. Properly labeled. The door opens and the alarm sounds. Secure shut. My wheelchair indicator light, or my wheelchair courtesy light, is secure. It's not cracked or broken. I can show you later that that's working. Then I have the emergency roof hatch. It opens and the alarm sounds. And it's secure shut. And that is the entire interior pre-trip of our school bus.